Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss an important topic, that is articles. Dear students, we all know that there are three articles, a and the. Dear students, in the previous class, in class 3rd, class 4, we have read this article. Okay, today we will again discuss about articles. What are articles? There are three articles in English language, a and the. Okay students, so today we will discuss the use of a, use of and use of the. Dear students, you all know that articles are divided into two kinds, definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay, so just open students your notebook and start writing what is an articles. Okay, just write down the heading articles. What is an articles? What are articles? Articles. Just write down the heading articles. Okay, you all know that what is articles. The word a, write down the word a, okay, the word a and the, okay, the. These three words, a and the, these three words are known as articles. Okay, are known as articles. Are known as articles. They are always placed before. They are always placed before. Placed. They are always placed before the noun. Okay, just write down students what are articles. The word a and the. These three words are known as articles. They are always placed before a noun. Okay, they are always placed before the noun. Okay students, there are two kinds of articles. There are two kinds of article. You can write from the next line. There are two kinds of article. You can write first definite article, indefinite article. Indefinite article and second is definite article. Okay, just see, there are two kinds of article, indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay students, just write down about it. What is an article? The word a and the are known as articles. They are always placed before the noun. Okay, there are two kinds of articles, indefinite articles and definite article. Dear students, you all know that in the category of indefinite article we keep a and the. The word a and the, the word a and these two are indefinite articles. Okay, and the word the is definite articles. Okay, so just put the heading indefinite article. What is an indefinite article? Students, you write it in your notebook. Then after you put the heading indefinite articles. Okay? Dear students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written what is an article. And the word a, and the, these three words are known as article in English language. Okay, and now just put the heading. There are two kinds of articles you have written in your notebook. First one is indefinite article and second one is definite article. So students, you put the heading indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. Okay, just put the heading indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? Just write down a, the word a, and an. Okay, the word a and an are indefinite articles. Are indefinite the word a and an are indefinite articles in English. Articles in English. Okay, the word a and an, these two words are indefinite articles in English. Okay, they are used before. They are used before. Student, that is B. Okay, you can write it before. They are used before common. I think it is visible. They are used before common. It is not visible. I am going to erase it. Common. They are used before common, singular, and countable nouns. And countable noun. Countable nouns you all have read in the previous class. Countable noun that we can count. Okay, singular and countable nouns. Okay students, just see. Where do we use indefinite article? You all know that in the category of indefinite article we keep a and an. Okay, just see. A and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before common, singular, and countable nouns. Okay, we generally use a and an before the common, singular, and countable nouns. Okay, students. So now we will discuss. For example, you write first examples. You can see the example. Dear students, girl. Girl is what kind of noun? Girl is common noun. So we can say a girl. Okay? We can use definite or indefinite article before the common nouns, and we can also say that apples. Apple, that is what? A-P-P-L-E. That is singular. So we can also use here an, that is also indefinite articles. Okay, a girl, an apple, and a pen that we can count, that is also countable noun. So we use the article a and an before common, singular and countable nouns. Okay students, example you have seen a girl, an apple, a pen. Okay students, there are so many more. You can also write. Okay, so you keep in your mind that the word a and an, these two words belong to the indefinite articles. Okay, now we will discuss the use of a and use of an. Okay students, so just put the heading use of a. Use of a. Where do we use the article a? Use of a. Okay, use of a. Just put the heading use of a. Okay students, just write down use of a. Yes students, we use the article a before the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound. You all know that consonant sound. You all know vowel in English. A, E, I, O, U. The word, the letter A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels in English. Okay, and rest of the letters. Okay, rest of the 21 letters of English, that is known as consonant. Okay students, but here I am saying that when do we use the article a before the consonant sound? Before the consonant sound. Dear students, you also think, you also know the Hindi vowel, Hindi consonants, Hindi consonant, that is Hindi, that is known as Hindi Vyanjan, from ka to gya, ka se gya tak. Dear students, that is also consonant. क से ज्ञ तक का जो अक्षर है हिंदी में वो भी कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. अगर आप इसके साउंड से भी मैच करेंगे तो भी क्या होगा, आपका सही होगा. ओके, सो आर्टिकल, when do we use article a? Before the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound. What is consonant? The sound from ka to gya. The sound from ka to gya, that is known as consonant sound. You all know Vyanjan in Hindi, consonant in Hindi. The sound of ka, kha, ga up to gya, that is known as consonant sound. Okay. So students, you write it. When do we use article a? Before the consonant sound. Just write down, students. A is used before the beginning. A is used before. Okay, just see. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. With a consonant sound. Yes, students, you keep in your mind consonant sounds. Okay, just see. A is used before the word beginning with the consonant sound. Okay, you keep in your mind, we use the word a before consonant sound. Okay. For example, you can write. You can also write the example. Example. We are using bag. bag, bag, bag. You can also match. The word B is also consonant in English language, and bag, bag. The word, the sound, the letter in Hindi, ba, is also Vyanjan. Okay, that is also Vyanjan. So in Hindi you can also match. Okay, from ka to gya, sound is known as consonant. In English, besides a, e, I, o, u, rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, so you keep in your mind that before the consonant sound, we use the article a. Okay, so here the word, you can see students, bag, bag, b is what? The sound of b is consonant, therefore we will use here a bag. Okay, we will use the article a before the word bag. Okay, cat. The word cat, ka. The pronunciation, the sound of this word is start with the Vyanjan. Therefore, that is we will also use just before it a cat. Okay, students? So keep in your mind that before the consonant sound, we will use the article a. Okay? So just write down a bag, a cat. Okay, students? A pencil, etc. Okay, students, so just write down the use of a. A is used before the word beginning with a consonant sound. Example you can see, a bag, a cat, a pencil, etc. Okay, students, so just write down the use of a. I hope that you all have understood when do we use article a before the consonant sound. Okay? Dear students, one more thing I want to tell you, that one more example you can also mention here. University. Dear students, you can see university. Dear students, you will think that the word U is what? Vowel in English language, but the pronunciation of this word, you can see U. What is ya in Hindi? That is Vyanjan, that is consonant. Okay, you can also match with the Hindi consonant, that is vowel sound or consonant sound. The word ya is consonant sound. Therefore, we will not use here, and we will not use, that is wrong. Although it is U, that is vowel in English, but the sound, dear students, I am talking about sound, consonant sound. As it has been written that A is used before the word beginning with the consonant sound. Consonant sound is written here, sound, not beginning with the consonant word or letter. Okay? So, the pronunciation, the sound of this word start with the word ya, that is consonant in Hindi, that is Vyanjan in Hindi. Therefore, we will use here a university. Okay, we will not use an university. Okay, so keep in your mind that you keep in your mind the Hindi vowel, Hindi consonant. Okay, before Hindi consonant, we will use the article a. Okay, etc. You can write. Okay, so in example, you will write a bag, a cat, a pencil, a university, etc. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the use of a. Okay, so just write down, and after completing it, you will put the heading use of and. Okay, students? After completing it, you will write the heading use of and. Dear students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have understood the things. And I have told you already that the word a and an, these two words are what kind of articles? Definite or indefinite? That is indefinite articles. Okay, students, so just put the heading use of an. Use of an. You see, just write down use of an. Okay, so just write down, students. And you all know that we use the article and before the vowel sound. Before the vowel sound. In English, you all know that A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these 5 letters of English is known as vowel. But in Hindi, from A to अह, अ से लेकर अह तक क्या होता है? वावेल होता है, या हिंदी में इसे स्वर कहते हैं. ठीक है, आप सभी को पता होगा. अ, आ, ई, उ, ऋषि, ए, ऐ, ओ, औ, अंग, अह. These letters are vowel in Hindi. And you will also match in English. If you are getting Hindi sound, Hindi vowel sound, then you will use the article and. Okay, just see, when do we use the article and? We use the article and before the vowel sound. Okay, and before the vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, O. These are what? These are vowel sound. Okay? E, I, O, U. These are also vowels in English. So first of all, you will write the use of and. Then you could understand very well. And is used. And is used before a word. Before a word beginning with a vowel. Beginning with a vowel. Okay, students, just see. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel. Okay, beginning with a vowel. Just see the example, students. You can see the example. Example, you will write. Just see. Yes, students, the word egg. Dear students, in English I have told you A, E, I, O, U. Okay? These 5 letters are vowel in English. Okay? And I have also told you that in Hindi from A to Aha. That is also vowel in Hindi. Okay? As I have told in the definition of an, use of an is used before the word beginning with the vowel sound. Dear students, beginning with a vowel sound. You will also write the word sound. Okay? And is used before the word beginning with a vowel sound. You can see A, egg. Dear students, you can get. The word E is also vowel. And the word A is also vowel. That is egg. A is what? Swar or Vyanjan. That is swar. Or it means it is vowel. So we will use here article an. Okay? An egg. You will write an egg. Okay? I am writing here apple. A-double-P-L-E. Okay? You can see the word, the letter A. The letter A is what? That is vowel and that is A. A-double-P, apple. It is the word, the letter A is also swar. Therefore, we will use here the sound of this letter is A. That is also swar in Hindi. Therefore, we will use the article and before the word apple. Okay, because the word apple starts with the sound, with the vowel sound. Therefore, we will use the article and. Okay, students? So, just write down. One more example you write. That is very, very important example I am going to give you. Just see. Honest. Honest man. Just see, students. Honest. Although the word, the letter H is consonant in English language. That is consonant. But the pronunciation of this word start beginning with the word honest. Honest. You can see A is what? A is swar in Hindi. A is, the sound is A. Therefore, we will use the article an honest man. Okay? An honest man we will say. We cannot say that a honest man. Because the sound, as I have told, that is start with the vowel sound A. Honest. That will start with the sound A. Therefore, we will use the article an. Okay, students? So you keep in your mind, Hindi vowel, Hindi sound. Okay? Then you can make correct. Okay, students? So you will write and before the word honest man. Okay, students? I hope that you all have understood the things. So in this way, what would be the example? An egg, an apple, an honest man, etc. Okay, students? I hope that you all have understood the use of an. Okay? In the next class, we will discuss the use of the and other exercises given in the chapter. Okay, students? That's all for today. Thank you.